we are at Old McDonald's farm.
Animals.
Here's Eli. Yep.
Just scrape my leg down the car. Ow.
We were gonna film on the way here,
But it was almost dead.
and it kept stopping the video. And I don't think that was actually you that stopped it. I think it just, like, plugging it in and unplugging it actually does stop the video. I'll look at my Macaroni Kids calendar. The what?
Let me see.
The Macaroni Kids calendar.
Look
at all this.
Fun events for kids around Cedar Rapids. You should just have it as like the phone. Can't you switch it?
Around?
Yeah.
No. Not when you've already started filming.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Wait, you can?
No, not when. If you already started filming, you can't.
No, because I heard you say, oh. You know those bears?
There used to be. Like.
Come over here. Hurry up. Come next to me.
There's butterflies. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
I remember we took the
Let's
picture
look.
there.
Is there any?
They're just birds. It looks like.
No,
But
let's go on our way out.
there. Can we look on our way out?
Yeah. That phone charges fast and that.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's kind of weird they're charging that fast. It seems like the best.
Stop, you're scaring her.
Wait, there's a swan.
Those are swans. And
There's
here's
a groundhog. Look, over
Where?
there. It's just going in.
There's a baby squirrel.
Angela, there's a baby. Look over there.
There's things. I don't know what's it's supposed to be in there.
Come on. I'm heading to go.
Hold on, let me use the thumbnail.
Put it in there.
The phone in?
No,
I don't think.
like put it like.
I don't
like
think
this.
we should do that.
No,
There's a donkey.
donkey. Oh, ew! It's a goat from Goat Simulator.
Hold on, let me get the thumbnail. Actually, we're gonna wait till we can get closer to the ghost to take the thumbnail. There's a rabbit.
We're actually at Old McDonald Farm. This is legit.
Let's go on the corn thing.
Oh, you should go in there.
I know. Where'd they go? Did they go like around and into the thing?
Oh yeah. What now? Yeah, they're going to.
Oh yeah, that's how they got in.
There's cows.
I know, that was a cow too.
Hi. Let's go see the sheep now.
Okay. Should we go over to the sheep? Then we'll go to the goats.
Goats.
Yeah, okay, we're going to the
And then we
chickens.
can go see the sheep.
Yeah.
Through the pigs. But don't let the pigs eat the phone.
What if the chicken pecks at the camera?
Well, pigs could eat the phone, so should we even go into the pigs?
I'm pretty sure we
Don't let
should.
them out.
There's the chickens.
Go. Come on. Hurry. Hurry. Get in.
Before they get out, come on, get in. There we go. It's locked.
Yep. Come
Peyton, look at this.
Oh crap. That one's gonna get me.
I think she wants
He's angry.
Oh no. Oh no. Curtis.
It's chasing after you, Curtis.
Film it. Film that.
Look at this.
Film the chickens.
Film the chickies.
Alright guys, don't pick up the animals. Okay. They already sound really angry.
Don't pet them. Don't touch
Peyton,
them.
don't touch them. Chickens don't like it.
They're getting a little triggered, I think.
I don't think chickens like to be even touched. They don't really like people at all.
They get scared. Some of them do. They like some people.
Wait, I'm going up.
That one, it's angry.
And
Where's
can
the
I
rooster?
climb?
Oh. What is that?
What?
Is that a turkey?
That's a chicken, I think, up
That's
there.
not a chicken. That's not one. That's not a chicken.
Yeah, it is. It's an albino chickie.
I think that's a leader of the pack. Hi. Well, really? He's petting on that dirty,
That one
nasty
has the
one.
lock on the
Show
other
it.
side, so yeah.
I suggest
It smells like
don't
bad.
go in there.
Yeah, I don't like this
Let's
one.
just stay in here with the
Peyton, don't. Look, I want to go this way.
No, you can't.
I know. Come on, let's just go this way.
No, let's stay in here for a little bit. I want to see the chickens, how they react. Bro, look at that one. Did you just stop it?
No, I unpaused it.
Hi. Where's the rooster? Oh, wait. Look at that's the original chicken. Show them. Oh, look at that chicken. That's one cool chicken. Roosters have like red tails and stuff.
We shouldn't get too close.
I think
Where'd
I'll
it go? Okay. I wonder, are there even...
He's eating it.
We came in here and we took a picture of the thumbnail for the video.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, this is a way to...
The other side has sheep. The sheep are on
This
that
one?
side. Yep. And the sheep are on
We're going into the sheep. Where are... Oh my god, look
It's
at him.
Willie's. Look, it's Willie. Come on.
I don't think we should go in here though. I don't think we're supposed to. But
That
look
one's
at it.
screaming. Do you want to go into the goat area?
Yeah, let's head to the goats. I think we can get in through the cows,
we
but
can.
no, let's go the other way because the cow is right next to the door.
I can't get it out. Hey, Angela. Is it
I
the
remember
chickens?
when they used to have monkeys here.
Monkeys.
They used to.
Did they used to have mountain lions too?
Yeah.
Did you remember seeing one?
No, I never
No.
saw mountain lions.
How long ago did they have them?
I don't. It says it tells you out
What
there
is
on
in
those
there?
signs.
Yeah, but why'd they take them out?
Probably because they were probably getting loose and they were dangerous.
They were
And then they
getting
probably-
loose,
Some of them got loose and probably ran up into those woods there.
so they're probably still in there.
No. Not now. Because I'm pretty sure it was pretty sure they took the mountain lions out before the 1970s.
I don't feel safe walking around here though. I think it was this one probably.
Oh, why is the top blown out?
Oh, I think it's supposed to be that way.
Maybe they did that to take out the monkeys.
Or maybe it is gone. It's missing because this one has a thing on it. One of them.
They have deer?
Wait, what?
They have deer?
Are they wild?
I don't know.
They're probably wild.
Let me.
There are wild deer in here. They're wild.
That's definitely a wild.
That's.
Cheering us on.
Where are the swans? Aren't they in there?
Swan.
I don't want to go in there because that's electrical wire. This is a sketchy bridge.
Show them the bridge.
I know. I saw. I
Show
showed them.
them the down tree. Wait, we could actually go in there?
We can. It's. What happens if we touch the?
Well, I
It's
think
stuck.
it's that. If you touch up there, because they don't want people flying in here at night trying to steal ducks. Because apparently that's a problem.
So this fence is okay.
The water.
Yeah, I think it's the top of the fence, see the wires at the top. I think that's the only part that's
I'm gonna try and go get an area where I can see around and I can get a good thumbnail.
Look, a lot of ducks. Show them it.
Hold on.
Yeah, and do you want to go back in the chickens after this?
The chickens?
Yeah.
Maybe. Sure. Let's go to the chickens after.
Because we really like the chickens. I don't want to see if a chicken will actually chase after me. Because they're interesting. Curtis? Ain't
Yeah.
they?
So here we have everything. There's the ducks over there. What's that? What's in there? It looks like
Oh no.
there's nothing in there. Actually, that looks like it would be a good swimming pool if it was.
Yeah, that's perfectly blue, but there's duck poop in it.
I mean, it's not
Look
perfectly
it,
blue.
it's a river. It leads into a river.
There's grass right there and stuff.
What is grass?
Grass. I said grass.
What?
There's just cords.
Wait.
No, there's grass. Oh.
What is over here? What is this? Uh-oh. It's baby ducks. Curtis, show them the baby ducks. And the mama duck. And daddy duck. The rest are all boys. Show them these ducks, Curtis.
Are the female ones the plain looking ones? Oh no, the male ones are more plain looking. Usually the males are.
We're gonna go back into the... There's more over here, Curtis.
Look at the big ones over there.
Big ones.
The big ones over here.
Yes, those
Look
are...
right there. Those ones right there.
Those are both babies and then the mom and dad.
Aww.
Come on, Curtis. Let's go see the others.
Film that water really quick. We have to film every last bit of water.
That is so cool. Bro, I'm glad we. Wait, what is the phone at?
What do we see here?
There's a chinchilla.
62.
What?
Chinchilla.
What is it at?
There's a chinchilla.
No, that was a
chinchilla.
groundhog. Where?
They were right over there.
Where?
They like
Oh,
went into
hear
it.
that? It's over there.
So many.
Ow.
Look, some of it sleeping. Let's go back and see the. I don't want to go. No.
See what that trail is.
Chinchilla.
I want to go back and see the chickens.
Okay, yeah.
Come, Mommy.
I don't want to leave yet.
It's kind of like a hamster or something.
What time is it?
Not old yet.
We're going.
I want to see what that trail.
also don't want him to get sick, and if you're heading for too long, he's gonna get sick.
Or she could just go into the car.
A little bit more time. We might not be able to use the park until it's down.
Come on, go see the trail with me.
Let's go see the chickens.
Oh, what's the chicken? Let's go in the chicken.
Yeah, I got you. I have the camera turned around. We can't keep it for too long though, because my fingers will start to hurt.
I could do it.
No, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna hold it.
I could do it for you.
Be careful of the fruit, yeah.
I
Maybe we
don't.
should go up in here because there's plants that are not.
I don't trust that.
Come on, Curtis.
Yeah, we're going to see the chickens.
There's that deer.
The deer probably still isn't there, but it was in there somewhere.
No, it was up there. Must have ran away.
If you have made it this far, please like and subscribe.
Wait,
it
you're
really
ending
supports the channel. Okay, we're also gonna film part the way on our way back too, and then we'll film some at
I'm
home.
gonna be in the middle with you.
Okay, Eli's gonna be here.
We're
Eli's.
going into the chicken pen.
We gotta be careful because we don't want any wild deer running down there and just destroying us and killing us.
They can't.
I love how I said that so casually, like, yeah, we gotta really be careful because there's about like a 99.99% chance that we will go up there and die. But
There's
that's
a 99 chance that we'll get stung.
by a bee. Bee stings aren't even all that bad.
Well, probably not, because that bee's nest, I don't even think it was alive.
Yeah.
Because it didn't look alive. There was nothing.
This is probably one of my most professional videos I've ever filmed.
Yeah, this would probably be the most like.
We've already been filming for like 13 minutes, so.
Yeah, this will probably be the most longest.
I wonder, are they gonna bring back the monkeys in there?
It'll probably be the most liked video.
Most viewed or something. I don't know what to title it. I should have thought of
We
that.
went to Old McDonald Farm.
You know, I should have thought of that beforehand. There's that big
How
forest.
about that? We went to Old McDonald Farm.
Oh, squirrel.
Squirrel.
You didn't see it, but there's a
Squirrel.
squirrel. Squirrel.
It echoed. Oh, is that a school? Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
What do you think? There was a squirrel? A skull, you mean? Look at that. That's pretty old. A diaper?
Show them the wasp nest.
The wasp nest, where is it? It's up there. I don't know. We should kind of be careful going under that.
Yeah, that's. Come on. This is the chicken.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
Don't
Right.
mind.
We're back in the chicken.
Show him. We need to be careful.
Okay.
There's the albino
Chicken
one.
pen.
Look it. That one has a paw. Bro, none of the other ones have that fur. Let's go into here.
We may or may not
that
have enough
one-
storage
that
to
one
post
has the
this
shaggy
video.
hair. Show them the shaggy haired one. What else is in here? Oh,
Should we go in there?
big guy.
I feel like, should we go in there and pet it?
Come on. Show them it. Oh,
Eli, I don't think we're supposed to go
show
in.
that guy.
Hold on, let me read that sign. Yep, we're not supposed to go in there, I don't think.
Oh crap.
Well, I
That's
guess
a
you're going to
mama.
jail, Eli.
Oh crap. Wait, that guy is blue fur. Show them the close up of him.
It's cool.
I wanna go try and pet one. The albino one, I think bro, this is so cool. Actually filming a video. Alright. I can't pet them. They're gonna That
Eli,
one's
look.
cool. What? What is it?
Hold on.
Dang, there's 2 spiders. Show them it. That's a huge spider. That is a huge wolf spider. That's a wolf spider.
Let me see
It
if I
has
can-
little pincers.
I made it flinch.
No, that one.
That's creepy.
Is it? You're not showing it.
I
Let me
am.
see.
Let me. Hold on.
You weren't.
Yeah, it was. It is.
Oh, that one's back.
We'll have to check back later.
Check back later. What?
We'll check back after we post it, or when we were about to post it.
What is that? There's one over here. Actual YouTubers. Like, I know we're kids and all, but where are you going?
I don't know.
Let's go back over here.
By the way, the goat thing is locked. We can't go in there.
Were you telling them that? Is the video played?
Yeah.
Show them
played.
the yellow chicken. Let's
video-
call him mustard chicken. Then look at that albino chicken. That has to be the leader.
That one's definitely the leader.
Bro, it reminds me of the chicken from Rio. Show them the albino. Rio chicken.
I haven't seen it, but there's Rio too.
No,
I know they can
it was
fly.
another time that we were
Curtis.
here.
Come back. Look, I got chocolate chicken. We got the gray and white chicken.
That's the Oreo chicken.
It's Oreo chicken. It's the Oreo chicken. Angela, look, it's the Oreo chicken. It's not the mustard chicken. It's the caramel chicken. Then, and that's
Hold on, I wasn't filming when I.
Oh, we come back, I think. We usually come back to their
Curtis.
pen.
so like we don't know if anything happened. Just keep filming. If like anything happened.
Come here, chicken.
I want to pet it.
Oh.
What? What was that?
That
Oh, that chicken got attitude.
That one is the leader. Hi.
Very serious. So serious. So serious.
But that's the original. That's the normal. Or no, I think that chicken doesn't have the top thing. That is so weird. Show them the top thing. Notice the difference, guys?
Oh,
I want to pet himself.
like about to fly away.
He's running away.
He kept putting his wings out. I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I think that one has some attitude.
touch it.
Touch? I touched it.
Save you from them. Oh, we didn't pet it.
I picked the cow. Yeah, because you tried it for one of the intros. Come on, are you filming?
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep on filming. Because if like anything happens to like that, come on.
I'm gonna check on the girls and then I'll come back over here.
Okay, you know where they are?
Get in, quick. Ew. There's poo-poo.
Oh my god.
What is that?
There's a cow.
What is that over there?
I don't know what the. Oh shoot! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Curtis, I can't.
Eli, get out!
Can't.
No!
Angela, save us.
Oh no! Eli, no! 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 No!
Swamp.
They're attacking.
No, it's not attacking. Don't hit it. Don't hit it.
Oh shoot!
They're just playing. They're not trying to hurt. Come on, Eli.
I can't get out.
Do you want to come out?
Curtis, save me.
Oh, hey. Not doing it right now.
Yeah.
We should. That was quality. Were you filming that?
Eli, while you were getting attacked, I took a picture for the thumbnail.
Wait, did you film it?
Yeah, I was filming part of it.
That's quality content right there.
They like you, Eli.
Let's tell them. We just got attacked.
Yeah, we just started.
One of them decided to play with Eli.
Bro, he was lifting.
He was very playful.
Come on, let's go. Let's go in here. I'm going in there. Anybody, buddy. Okay, yeah. Are you showing them?
Yep.
Yeah. Look it. Show them it. Goat Simulator. It's the Goat Simulator Go, guys. It's the Goat Simulator Go. And then there's the guy. Look at that cute little guy. Guys, look. It's a cute little guy. This is quality content right here. How long is the video?
It's so
That's
Fluffy bunny.
He looks like Floppa if it was a rabbit. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's Floppa Rabbit. It's Floppy Rabbit.
No, it's
His name is
Max.
Benny.
It's Maxwell the rabbit.
His name is Benny.
For real?
Hello, my name is Benny. They used to have like rats and all kinds of stuff.
Well, that
They had
was
a porcupine last year, I think. Didn't
I
they?
remember there was like a cage.
Yeah, but-
I think
What?
there was a cage of a porcupine. I think it was
Yeah,
right
it
there.
was like right in this area over here.
Oh, here.
Technology, Sean, guys, show them that. They're headbutting. They're fighting. What? Show them it. Show them it. Go battles. You're not showing them it. Show them it.
I am.
You're the fun little.
Zooming in.
We can look from over there. Let's go. The mule. See it? It's the donkey. They have a little playhouse. You showing them it?
Yep.
Oh no, you're not.
What?
You're
I
only
am.
showing them half.
Half? Hold on. It's really confusing with this when I can't see it. Am I showing the mule?
Yeah, it's now. It's a donkey. Do you want to go see the ducks again?
Yeah, I don't think we're. I don't want to go all that far.
The ducks are like right.
Oh
there.
yeah.
I want to go into the ducks area though. But I know ducks could be feisty.
We're going to see the ducks.
4 of them. There was a lot more.
There's more on that other side area. I wish we could go in. You used to be able
I
to.
think you can. Come on. I think you can actually can.
Oh, you can go into there, but
What?
I think you are supposed to go in here.
Oh, it's locked.
Oh.
It's locked. Well, come here. There's only 2 ducks over here. What were you talking about? Maybe there's more.
I just put the camera right in a spider web. Eli, you might not want to touch that. That's the electrical wire.
It's not electrical.
Yeah, well, there's probably a reason that it's there. Oh, Eli, you want to play this?
Play this.
Yeah, I don't know how we're going to get all the... We got tic-tac-toe here.
I'm gonna
Set everything up.
No, let me hold it.
No, 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 no. We
Or
can
let's
just-
go back into Connect 4.
Oh. Well, there's nowhere I can, like, kind of set up the camera.
Just empty it.
Maybe if I set it up over here.
Dang, it's cool. I'm doing it the wrong way. I found it. Yep.
Oh, you just had to...
But what? What?
Those ones won't get out. I'll push them.
Yeah?
You guys are okay with me for a minute?
You're going to the store?
I'm gonna drop you guys off at home and then.
Come on. Let's play tic-tac-toe. I
You
wanna
put...
my
You
red
mean,
one
it's
right there.
so I'm black and you're red, so I'm going to cover you up. You know the rules of Connect 4, right?
Yeah.
You have to get
Put that in.
a row of...
Pick one.
I'm going to put mine here.
So I can.
I have a feeling you're trying to do something here, so I'm just gonna... The pattern you're going is... Oh, I'm just gonna... Yeah. You probably didn't think that through, because look, you can't go up here.
Well, I can if I just. Dun, 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 dun.
You didn't think that through, did you?
Wait, what?
It just went down. Oh, I'm not supposed to grab that. Let's see.
It's not a window. Dun, 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 dun.
Look,
Dun, 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 dun.
it didn't fit.
Put
What am I gonna do? I don't know if you're trying to do something here or...
Just put it in somewhere.
You blocked me. Look. I'm must there. Wait, you took mine.
Well, I am trying to do something here, so
Okay.
just put it in here. That'll block
I'm
me.
gonna... I have a feeling you're trying to do something when I do that.
No. Or just put it in here.
Oh, I
So
think-
I could do. I won't be able to do a different one. I could have just gotten one.
Wait, what?
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, wait. Yeah, if you would have put one there, then I would have technically not known. Cause it's way
Wait, I could put one here. And win?
Yes, but no, because look right here. That blocking your 3. Are you? Oh, I gotta block that. Oh, see, you could just go this way. Work.
You weren't smart. Dun, dun, dun. I won. You ain't showing it all.
Oh.
Bro, I won. Quality content. Okay, we played again. Let's go.
Say hi.
Hi.
The donkey.
Look.
It's a donkey.
Hi, donkey. Oh.
You're not showing it.
Oh.
Hi. Bah. What if he just replied?
Oh, he's trying.
Come on, let's go. Come on, Curtis.
We're gonna head this way.
Let's go see where Angela is.
They're definitely not in there.
Yeah, we can't. We shouldn't go. Yeah, those are. Oh, yeah, those are playful. They're trying to play. Is that a pig up there?
Where?
Oh no, that's a goat all the way up there.
That
They're
looks-
not supposed to get up there.
They can. They're allowed to. That's their area.
The sheep have moved. The sheep have moved. Curtis, Woolies. No. Wait. Oh no, because I don't know how filthy they are. Where? Oh, they're back in with.
They're eating the rocks.
Yeah, like. Curtis.
What? Okay, we're heading out. We are not stopping the video, but I'll see you at home.
Are you? Show them those cool rocks. And show them this other one. Bro. What is that? What do they store in there? It's
I don't know.
locked, and that's so rusty.
That
Let's see if
must,
there's anything in here.
that must have not been
Film
opened in years. Hey, I'll see you at home. Yeah.
Upload the video to YouTube. And then